Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of this military grade tactical zoom LED flashlight. I bought this at Ollie's for 12 USD, so it's pretty good price compared to in Canada, where one of these would probably cost you about $20. So here at Ollie's you get two of them for 12 US dollars. So just to look on the packaging here, it's 40 times more powerful than normal flashlights, up to 5-mile visibility, 5 zoomable light modes, high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. It's water resistant, aluminum alloy construction, lifetime guarantee. So again, it's a two times value pack. Just look at some of the details on the back here. So high beam LED, T6 LED bulb, not too sure what that is. 5-function switch. It protects your valuable from theft and burglary. I did have one of these in the past, and I have to say it is very powerful. So let's just open this up. One of the great buys from Ollie's bargain discount store. Let's just have a look here. So let's test one of these out. So we can see here. So if you want to zoom in and out, I believe it's telescopic. So you could press it in, pull it out, push it in, and it will tells you here it's 1 time times 250 times 500, so zooming depending upon where you want to go. So this one does not come with battery, unfortunately. Battery would go in here. So I believe it uses, let's see, 3 AAA. So it uses 3 AAA batteries. So this is a good buy. Like I said, I've had it in the past, and it is pretty powerful. So hopefully you found this unboxing to be useful. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel, click that bell notification icon so that you're always up to date on our newest unboxing videos. And until next time, take care.